Hi everyone, Amy here. I have a quick little haul video to share with you today. I received an order from A Cherry on Top. They are a small crafting business in, I believe, Saginaw, Michigan. I discovered them kind of recently and I'm really excited because not only are they in Michigan where I'm at, but they do have a storefront and they have a huge selection online. I get emails from them with great deals, sometimes free shipping, sometimes percentage off complete order, but I like to support small businesses when I can. So definitely be sure to check out the shop, but I'll show you what I got from them today. Now to start, very excited, I got the new Distress color. This is Saltwater Taffy, and the reason I get this combination of items is because for one, I have all the Distress Oxides, so I get the full-size pad because those are only available in full-size pads. And I get the reinker for the oxides. But I also get the Distress ink refills. Now, the reason being these are not only really fun to watercolor with, but I do collect the Distress ink pads when they come out in minis. But if you're familiar with Tim Holtz, he tends to release the new colors in sets of 4. So I usually just get the reinker when the color comes out, and then I wait for the next 4-pack of mini inks to come out. And this is how I store my mini Distress inks. I have most of the colors, but I have a couple of these containers and they hold these little pads. So this works for my storage space, and I just like having the smaller ink pads with the reinkers. I do the same kind of thing with my Catherine Pooler inks. Okay, the next thing I got, speaking of Catherine Pooler, I got this awesome thanks die. So it looks like this is a separate die here that kind of, you know, will work on its own. So you could cut off that thanks, or you could do the thanks in this circle, and then also there's this outer circle with the thanks all the way around it. So that's super fun. That reminds me of a different die I have, I think from My Favorite Things. I'll show you that because I think I just die cut some out the other day. I was restocking up my sentiment book here. I'm sure you guys have seen me use this. Where was it? Anyway, I think it's a happy birthday one. I think I might have a hugs one as well. Here we go. So yeah, see, it's got this happy birthday all the way around it. So this one is My Favorite Things. I didn't have the little thingies popped out, but you get the idea. Anyway, this is the same sort of concept on this outer thanks die, but I just like that it's all separate and you can kind of do with it what you will. Okay, so there's that. And then just a couple other items here. Like I said, it's a small haul, but I wanted to share. You guys know I'm obsessed with these 3D embossing folders. So this one is called Curving Leaves 3D. I like these pictures. It really helps me get a visual. But these are 6x6 altenew, nice thick 3D embossing folders. I'm so excited. Okay, and then one more. This is Geometric 3D embossing folder. You can see, super cool. This will be really fun for, I don't know, masculine cards. You guys know I love these. So that's it, guys. I don't have a lot to share with you today, but I just want to pop in and share my little haul. So have an awesome day, and I will link the products that I got below the video in the video description box. You just expand and scroll down. And be sure to check out A Cherry on Top. It's a really cool store, and their story, if you read their bio, is really heartfelt and sweet. So definitely support that company if you can, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.